Why do we need loop in Python? What if we do not use them? Let me explain. Suppose you have a list of names and you have to write a program to print them. This is a task that involves doing something repeatedly. There are several ways we can do this. One option is we can use this print statement to print the names one at a time. There are several limitations of this approach. For example, when we write the names in the code or hard code them, spelling errors may happen. Another problem is if the data changes in the future, for example, a new name is added or an existing name is deleted, we have to change the code as well. A third issue is this approach is not scalable. What if there are 10,000 names? Are we going to write 10,000 print statements? Probably not a good idea. A better approach is avoiding hard coding and using the variable's name instead. This way, we are solving the spelling error problem, but the other two problems still remain. Now let's see the third approach. We can use a for loop to iterate over the data one at a time. Here, names is our data, a sequence of names, and n is a variable that takes a value from that sequence one at a time. This solves all the problems we saw in earlier approaches. No matter how many names you have, these two lines of code would still be able to print all of them. And even if there is any change in the data, for example, a name is deleted or added, we do not have to change our code. This same code should still work. In the next video, I will further explain the use of loop. If you want to know more about learning Python or data analytics, please feel free to email me at info@learningemu.com. I can then invite you to my free monthly webinar. Also, if you want me to cover any particular topic related to data, comment that as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and follow me on TikTok or YouTube, where I post about data science to help understand the concepts and techniques for analyzing data so that you never feel stuck with data. Thanks for watching.